Fire in the Luftleiter hole. Let's cook some bacon. Let's make a bomb. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got for you today is I've got a bunch of chicken, skinless, boneless chicken breasts that I cut in half the long way, and I also cut them again that way to make them like little patties of chicken. And I've got some of my Rootboy Rub that we're going to douse them with some of my Rootboy Rub and get that all over them. You'll see. And hey, you know what? We haven't given away any rub in a while, so let's give away some Rootboy Rub. Be a subscriber to my channel. Leave a comment on this video. Give me a thumbs up. I'll give one lucky subscriber some of my Rootboy Rub, a little Christmas gift. This will be the last giveaway of the year, I think. Anyway, let's get that chicken doused up real well with that Rootboy Rub. You want to get it all over that chicken, both sides of each piece of chicken. Gonna get some rub on them. We're gonna make a bomb, a bacon bomb. You'll see. Let me get my chicken rubbed up real well. Gotta make sure that there's seasoning on every part of the chicken, because that's gonna go inside the bomb. That's the payload for the bomb. Anyway, yeah, if you want some Rootboy Rub, be a subscriber, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. I have no way of knowing if you're going to give me a thumbs up or not, but whatever. You know, we'll take that into account. Yeah, we got our chicken pretty well seasoned up, I think. All parts of it are seasoned. There's a spot that didn't get any. Okay, there you go. Got rub on all the seasoning. Okay, let's get that out of the way and get my bacon bomb in here. We'll start assembling this bomb, so stay tuned. So what I got here is a loaf pan with 20 pieces of bacon arranged around it, and we're going to stuff this thing with the chicken and some veggies to make a bomb. So let's get a piece of chicken over here and get it in there, and another piece. You see why I cut it up now? See that? See how that's cut up? Yeah, to make it fit in the loaf pan. Then we got some barbecue sauce, of course. Since this is a barbecue recipe, we're going to throw some barbecue sauce on top of there. And this happens to be a hickory and brown sugar, which is a nice barbecue sauce. Then I got some red onions. We're going to lay in some red onions. You know what? I forgot the cheese. I got to go get the cheese. Let's lay in our red onions right now. Get a layer of red onions in there. They don't have to be perfect. Just get some red onions in there. There you go. Let me go get the cheese. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I was saying, we got the onions in there. Let's put some red bell peppers on top of those onions. Some nice red bell peppers. This is a nice Christmassy dish because it's going to have red and green bell peppers in it. And we're layering them over here on top of the chicken and barbecue sauce and onions. You get some more red bell peppers. You want some of that in every, part of that, so when we cut that, the cross section will be of the red bell peppers and the onions. Yeah, there you go. It's a layer of red bell pepper on top of there. I don't know if my pan's gonna be deep enough, but anyway, we're gonna do the best I can. Doing the best I can with what I got. That's the way it goes. Okay, red bell pepper. Now with the cheese, we need some cheddar cheese on there. 1, 2, 3 slices of cheddar cheese. There we go. Now we need some more chicken. Some more chicken. You don't have to use chicken. You could use pork. You could use whatever you want in this dish. I'm using chicken. It just happens to be what I have. Gonna get some chicken in there. So a second layer of chicken in there. Then I've got some green bell peppers. Here, let's put some barbecue sauce on that. Some of that nice hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. That's gonna all cook down inside there. We got some onion. I hope this doesn't get on stupid food on Reddit. Kind of looks like one of those deals. It's not though. It's a good recipe. You're gonna like this. Some onions, So far we got 2 layers of chicken, some onions, red bell pepper. Now we're going to put some green bell pepper on top of those onions. That's going to complete the Christmas motif of the red and green veggies. Red and green bell peppers. 2 layers of chicken. You get some more of that chicken on there, some more of that green bell pepper, so that when we cut the cross section, we might look like something. Let's get some more green bell pepper on there. That's looking good. Looking pretty good, if I say so myself. And I do say so myself, since there's no one else here. Alright, green bell pepper. So we've got red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, chicken, barbecue sauce, and cheese. Let's throw another layer of cheese on top. Why not? That's going to be the payload of the bomb. Wait till you see what we're going to do with this. 3 pieces of cheese on top of that. Now we take the bacon and fold it over like so. One of those over there. One of those over there. Bacon was a little long, huh? Okay. It's no biggie. No problem at all. Fold that bacon over. Fold the bacon over. We're folding the bacon. Folding the bacon over. One more piece of bacon. Bacon is good stuff. You gotta love bacon. Bacon is the duct tape of the kitchen. Fold our bacon over. Get it folded over again. Some more. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon strips and bacon strips and bacon. There's 20 pieces of bacon on this thing, in case you were wondering. We've got 20 pieces of bacon total. And inside we've got the payload, barbecued chicken, and bell peppers. Let's lay that over there. You see how this is coming together now, I think. I hope. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Another piece of bacon, and bacon, and bacon. Cheese, bacon, chicken. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty fine, pretty nice, I think. A bacon bomb. Now we gotta do is cover that with foil, put it on the grill, let it cook till we get a good internal temperature of about 165, 170. When the chicken is cooked and the bacon is cooked, it should all tighten up on there. Real nice. That's gonna look good, I think. Okay, let's get it on the fire and get it cooking. Stay tuned. The bacon bomb is on the fire, covered in foil, indirect heat. Cook it till we get about 170 degrees internal temperature. Then we'll be ready to cut it, serve it, drink a beer, and we'll be done. So stay tuned. I got my bacon bomb out of the loaf pan. We're going to paint it up with some barbecue sauce and let it crisp up that bacon a little bit if possible. Get some barbecue sauce on there. Get it painted up with that good, what is that, hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce all over that puppy. Won't be long now, we'll be sliced into this thing, drink a beer, and take a taste of my awesome, let's make it look like something pretty, my awesome chicken and bacon barbecue bomb. Get it painted up, cook that bacon a little bit more till it's a little bit more crispy, and we'll slice into that puppy and take a taste. So stay tuned. My chicken bacon bomb is done. Here's the frosty Rootboy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer, La Fin du Monde, the end of the world. This is a Belgian triple that I love. This beer, it's a foreign beer, of course, from Belgium, but I'll tell you what, this is an amazing beer. This is bottle conditioned, so you've got the sediment in the bottle. You want to pour it off slowly if you can. Try to get that sediment to stay in the bottom of the bottle. La Fin du Monde, Rob, a triple. Tell you what, this is some of the best beer going. Unibrow Brewing Company, can't be beat. Let's take a sniff of that. Oh man, that smells great. Smells great. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. It's a triple. quite a potent beer. 9% alcohol. Let's snip that. Let's take a quaff the froth off that. Ah, man, that is one of the best beers I've ever had. I wanted to use a La Fin du Monde. I wanted to use a foreign beer for a change. I usually get American beers, but not today. We've got La Fin du Monde for my chicken bacon bomb. There you see it. You didn't really see the green parts of the peppers didn't really come out good, but the red did. And here's a piece of that chicken. Let me get that on my mouth. Oh man. That's awesome. You got all that bacon and the onions and the cheese and everything. That is just awesome. I gotta have another bite. Babies, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to get some Rootboy Rub. Yeah, that's my video. So, yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year. Let me get some of that peppers and onions in my mouth. Look at that, it's got really good stuff. I'm starving. That's my chicken bacon bomb. Anyway, we'll see you next week, babies. Merry Christmas. Bye.